Invisible WD-40. Good.
That was easy. Woo. You what? Not a lot of room, it's always loads of room. You know what you mean? Too much room. Pretty lucky there. This is supposed to like fold down by hand. You can see how mint it is.
Slowly. Go on, it's moving. Oh, steady now, steady.
You alright?
Yeah. Like that.
Oh. Professional.
Go on up. Keep going up. Keep going up. Don't move, just go up.
Just don't get near it.
I know that, just go up.
this is the Leyland L60. Crap engine, apparently. Mark 11, this particular one. So it actually isn't that bad. All the early ones, like apparently any engine that was Mark 9 or less, just literally used to go bang for the sake of it. That's really what gave Chieftain such a bad name in the early days. Were just so terribly unreliable. But then after the Mark 9 engine, they fixed a lot of the troubles, and obviously, just about as they were, you know, changing to Challenger, they about got the L60 right. And the last engine they did was a red top Mark 13 version with about 900 horsepower, and that actually isn't a bad thing. Obviously this is a yellow top, this is a Mark 11. These weren't too bad, but not as powerful, if you know what I mean. This one's quite poorly because water's got in the supercharger. If you come around here with the camera, where I'm stood there should be an air box, big air cleaner. The top's rotted out of it, and then water's filled up and gone straight into the supercharger, and then obviously it's frozen, you know, like frosty weathers came, so the water's expanded and actually smashed the supercharger inside, and obviously then it's let water into the actual block. So I think this engine is pretty much scrapped, but when it was parked up it was running and all okay, you know, as far as they go, but water's fucked this one up. So we might salvage it. I'm going to try and take a supercharger off a spare engine at the back if you go and have a look. Already started dripping one off. So if it hasn't got far into the engine, we'll try and save this engine if we can. But it's not looking very hopeful at the moment anyway. Nice.
It's all fun and games. Hopefully, just do the bolts that hold the gearbox onto the engine. We should be about there.